Dr. and Hakeem Tariq Mahmood is an expert sexologist. Male Infertility Documentary. Part 2, Hormones Involved in Fertility. The hormone plays an important role in your fertility growth. Hormones including FSH, LH, testosterones, SHBG, and prolactin. FSH stand for follicle stimulating hormone. It is produced in the pituitary gland and is important for men in the production of sperm. Levels of FSH in men rise with age, but can also indicate testicular damage. And reduced sperm production. Low levels of FSH are detected when men are not producing sperm. Luteinizing hormone, LH, is produced by the pituitary gland, and is important for male fertility. In men it stimulates the production of testosterone. Raised LH in men can signal that the testes are not producing enough testosterone. Sex hormones, testosterone, estrogen, and dihydrotestosterone, found in your blood are bound to sex hormone binding globulin, which means that they are unavailable to your cells, which affects the fertility from the detailed documentary on fertility presented by Dr. and Hakeem. Tariq Mahmood. Testosterones. Testosterone is the primary male sex hormone and an anabolic steroid. The development of male reproductive tissues such as the testis and prostate. As well as promoting secondary sexual characteristics such as increased muscle and bone mass, and the growth of body hair. In addition, testosterone is involved in health and well-being and the prevention of osteoporosis. Testosterone is also used as a medication to treat male hypogonadism. Since testosterone levels gradually decrease as men age. Testosterone is a steroid from the androstenedione class containing a keto and hydroxyl groups at the 3 and 17 positions. It is biosynthesized in several steps from cholesterol and is converted in the liver to inactive metabolites. It exerts its action through binding to and activation of the androgen receptor. To be continue.
The doctors makes the difference in the other's life. Let's change yourself from unfit to fit. Let's consult with Dr. Hakimo Dr. Tariq Mahmood Taseer Consultant Sexologist Alternative Medicine Specialist Expert Male and Female Infertility. Contact us 0300-955-288-90321-955-288-90334-955.